Alright people, me there take a little trip going into the town. Actually I go down a Birds. Go down a Birds, go buy some transmission fluid because I really want to service the transmission. I have to carry it for too long. I have to carry it for like how long I have to carry it? About 6 months? Shit, really now I come down. I carry it for like 6 months. No, I don't service the transmission, which is bad. Very bad. So I'm gonna go on journey with me as me take on the road. I bought some tunes, zait. Yeah. I don't know how this view is, guys, because I actually have on my helmet. Yeah, I have on my bike helmet. So when I'm doing them, I just did hot and thing. So she said, take it easy, I will do the work. You don't have to. You don't have to. Really not forward. Did Nigel boy did the thing that Prime Minister Youth Award? Man, I can't forget that. Yo, me not too long left me yard. Yeah. What are you doing?
She said, let me cater to you. I say cater to me. She said, just relax and let me cater to you.
Straight. Natural breeze.
Take it easy, I will do the work. You don't have to wind up yourself.
You know, I don't really feel no way driving in my helmet. Somebody want to look for me, they look for me. You don't have to. But one thing you helmet kind of big still.
And then she bubble and she bubble and she bubble and wine. Push back is the greatest man. Push back. Roll your wings.
Content that we make now.
Push back. Oh, Miss Lady. Bubble and she bubble and she bubble and wine. Push back. Give me the greatest man. Push back. You are the wickedest man. Push back. I wanna wine on your bumper. I know you like steam. I know you like vibes. I know you like speed. Top work, y'all. Bend down, touch your knee. It's a new wallpaper for my iPhone screen. She said, what?
New wallpaper for my iPhone.
Yes, girl, I wanna get it.
Yo, you see when I drive up here in that country area. I told everyone every crevice and corner, dog. And you know I always think about bike man. Me a bad man still know that, but I don't have a bike right now.
And then she bubble and she bubble and she bubble and wine. Push back.
So I patrol them with them. Driving and just like going on. Push back. That I used to
Bubble and she bubble and she bubble and wine. Push back. Give me the greatest man. Push back. You are the wickedest man. Push back. You are the rubber waist, like a rubber band. You have your own things, you never rubber man. And when you put on your costume, bacchanal, every man watch you in your section. She said, let me cater to you. I said, cater to me. She said, just relax and let me give it to you.
see it first, you know?
She
and me a drive with Ellie. And the bike man end the outlet to blow up now. Alright, from the road and now right with them, because we need a car and more protection. We still under more protection. Still under protection. What kind of music then? Afro so and Afrobeat and soca signature.
Well, boy, you know he's a cat and I just found no one boy. After I eat that cat there, I ain't going back in no chicken. I ain't want no pork, I ain't want no fish, I ain't even want turkey. Let me tell you what I want. It's strictly cat. I used to eat chicken back, but Sunday gone, we don't have that. So I went outside and I find a cat. And I tell my boys, we eating that.
Why you eating cat? How can I sing this? How are the butt? Born of cat! Hey boy! Eating what? Skinny? What? I want it, mom! No, just skip that song, I don't like this. What the fuck about this? Man saying a middle of night he might eat cat.
Big cat, man. Big fan. We juice.
What? Hey. Why?
No news. Everybody gone loose. Everybody gone loose. Big fan. Everybody gone loose. Everybody gone loose. Big fan. We get them with no. We just get no. We just Hey, bedroom bully. Hey, banana. What you say? Hey. Little traction. The car can't easily slide off of the road, so you have to take time. Give me. Oh no! That's an idiot car now. Sure, never wait till it. Sure. She said, we can't take the first take. 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 From the sunset, she fight for she back. Watch your name, hear what say? Please say, lick it, stick it, get down low.
Lick what and stick what, eh, boy?
Stick.
Oh, them singers. Hey. Oh, what are you bad? Replay.
Big cat, man. Big sound. We juice. Big down. Hit him on side. We don't have to sit down. We don't have to the sun. We come in to look wrong and we come to get no news. Everybody gone loose. Everybody gone loose. Big set. And everybody gone loose. Everybody gone loose. Big set.
By the way, guys, this video is gonna be unedited.
We just get down. We just
location. I am in St. Andrew, heading towards Golden Spring. I'm actually in Golden Spring. They call out here for 110. I find every hole, every little hole in my vibe.
She said, we gonna take the first stick, we gonna take the first stick, we gonna take the first list, we gonna take the this government said, she fight for she fight, yeah, put your name in, you know what I'm saying? Please say, lick it, stick it, go down low, back it up, stick, 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 stick,
Go to the song. Come on, man. I can't say that this road to class to the road.
Please just rewind, let me shake it. Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top, yeah. Man, I watch my body like say them, I watch a match, yeah. Anything you say them, girl, let do it like it's tax. I make my own money like the grassy movie trap. Mercy, real bad girl, I get nasty. I do whatever I want, just become a bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge. Never get my phones and him still falling in love, yeah. And anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not a hoe. Rice and peas, body hotter than the love. I feel bigger
taste anyway, you see my pass.
And if you get this on, then go on your back. Go on your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Yo, me in a slow driving today, you know. You know, in a this.
Let me shake it to the max. I'm not a fan, number one in command. I came just to kill me and cool militant. They won't figure eight, but I don't need a man. They love how me whine and make true religion. You dealing with the body, of course. Oh, you dealing with the boss. If we break up, then you know that it's a loss.
I'm coming on, none of them boy
Do the avatar. Sunny when we back, you can't touch this. Baby, I already leveled up. You're looking for love, and I'm looking for your
I
love.
don't know the lyrics.
Baby, you can handle all these
I don't know nothing what she has said.
Son, then go on your back. Go on your knees, baby, shake it to the max.
Yes, I bend your knees.
Please turn on the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Right no more
Please
some
just
speaker
rewind, let me
in
shake it to the
the
max.
Come on, some bass in my ears job. Rudum.
Hey, can I smash? These comments never make sense to me. It's like, what are you gonna do? Shove your dick through the computer screen? How is that going to work? Huh? I'm waiting. TikTok. Time to fuck.
She wants a man to fuck and give her things. She wants